Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's find display and brightness. Now we have to tap on eye protection, which is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. And here let's start with tapping on the switcher to actually apply the eye protection. As you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. You can also change the intensity of that feature with this switcher. By going to the left, you can make it cool, and to be honest, I really cannot see a difference between the coolest setting and the eye protection turned off. But that's good. We've got a wide range of options of intensity. And of course, by going to the right, we can set it on the warmest side and it is almost orange. You can also set the time. So just tap on the switcher and you can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the eye protection accordingly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.